After 8 years of RV camping and spending over 300 nights in my camper, I've never once put a map or a souvenir sticker on it. Never. And there's one very specific reason why. Someday I'll sell my camper, but I don't want my camping memories to go with it. And that's where these two clever solutions come in. They look similar, but they solve two completely different problems.
First up is the adventure board.
I have to tell you, I am so excited about this because the first problem is preserving our camping memories. Yet, eventually, our campers, they will come and go. But our adventures, that's what we really want to hold on to. And that's exactly what this adventure board is designed to do. The idea is really simple. It's a removable display board designed specifically for our stickers. So instead of sticking them on your camper or on your cooler or on your other camping gear, they go right on this board. You could use campground stickers, state and national parks, or any other travel stickers that you've collected throughout the years. But I don't have any of these because I didn't have a place to put them and to keep them. So I did things a little different. I had custom stickers made from some of my favorite camping memory photos, and each one of these tells a different story. This is when I went to the Badlands. Oh, I'll never forget that trip. Oh, this is a really fun one. This is when we we ended up going up a mountain that we had no business going up on, and we almost got stuck many times, but we ended up spending Christmas on top of a mountain. That was really special. I even made sure that I got pictures of the groups from our Wanna Camp Together meetups. So these pictures, I'm really excited to go on my board. I think it's kind of fun to place the stickers randomly, and I just don't want them to look so neat and organized. That's just my opinion. Let me know if you are watching this video and you were at one of these meetups. So if you think that having custom camping stickers, maybe mix it up with your state park stickers and your national park stickers is a good idea. It was actually really easy to do. I ordered mine from a company called Zazzle, but when I was looking for custom stickers online made from our photos, there were actually a lot of options available. That's what I really love about this. You can use custom stickers, you can use campground stickers. I mean, you can literally put any kind of sticker on the board that you want to. And that's what makes this board really special because it's your own unique memories. And when you go to sell your camper, your memories, they're going to stay with you. Just like that, I've got my own personal collection of memories that can move with me no matter what camper I own. I can't wait to start collecting some stickers and adding more personal custom photos to the board. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you, and you might have noticed, but you can personalize your board. Mine says Adventures with Randy, and it comes with command style Velcro strips that'll make it really easy to hang it and install it wherever you want to. I'll let you know where I'm going to place mine right after I show you the next product because I do have a plan. If you are interested in creating your own, I'll put a link below to where I created my own custom stickers, as well as links to both of these really fun products. Plus, when you use my links, you're going to get a special discount. Okay, I can't wait to show you the next product. Okay, the adventure board, it helps us preserve our favorite camping memories. But the adventure map, it's also a completely different problem. After 8 years of RV camping, I've been to a lot of places, but I've never had a visual way to see all those adventures in one spot. And honestly, I'm curious to see just how many states I've actually camped in. I do have an app that I use to record every state and every place that I've camped in. So I went through them all, and these are the states that I've camped in that I'm putting on my map. Indiana, that was a fun one. Virginia, And Virginia goes right over here. There we go, just like that. Pennsylvania was another fun state because that is where one of my meetups was. That was a really fun event. Because of where I live, Wisconsin, Minnesota, and the Upper Peninsula of Michigan are the three states that I camp at and in the most.
In fact, I'm camping in Wisconsin right now as I'm filming this video.
The UP of Michigan is one of my favorite places to camp.
Every time I add another new state, it's really fun to think about the states and the places that I've been to over the years. West Virginia. I have to admit that seeing all of these come together is pretty satisfying. How many states have you camped in? You're going to have to let me know. Here's another fun thing. The adventure map comes with a variety of different color themed state sticker options. But just like I had custom photos made for my adventure board, you can order custom photo state stickers with the company that makes these. Your personalized photo to help you remember each state. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, I've camped in a total of 14 states, and it was really fun to visually see that. But what surprised me the most wasn't where I've camped, but how many more states are still on my camping bucket list. Here's what I decided to do. I'm going to take my adventure board and hang it at home because what a fun conversation piece. And I'm going to hang my adventure map right here. Now that I've showed you where I've camped, let me show you some of my favorite places. Click here now to see some of the incredible campsites that completely surprised me. And I can't wait to hang out with you again next Thursday.
Oh my gosh, this has been so much fun.